Drawn to that sort of library magic, whispering through the dusty aisles, watching all the thinkers read, trying to keep a grown man quiet. It's like pulling teeth on a winter's eve, cracks and poles and unfamiliar roads. I'm on this one to find out. Educators and brothers harass, can't stay healthy in the cloud of eyes, listening to my every move, just trying to survive. Self-imposed adventure, let selfishness drive. I can barely keep my head above the blue, trying to keep it off me and you. But I can see the sunshine's rays gleaming through the clear water, telling me gotta happen for this chapter's right. There will always be better days. There will always be better days. Making music is what we do, trying to weave the patterns for me and you, trying to make the grasses breathe and a grown man cry. Truth in life is where I glean, tangled up in a funnel's winds, trying to come out walking. Understand it's beyond me talking, trying to come out walking. Understand it's beyond me talking. I can see the sunshine's rays gleaming through the clear water, telling me you gotta happen for this chapter's right. There will always be better days. There will always be better days. Being alone isn't lonely, sought after like a holiday. Being home is my vacation, postcard dreams of a full-size bed. Quit the band one too many times, serious enough to get a rise. Get up in the next morning for another drive. That's a promise, the best advice we ever received is for you and me to stay together. It's easy to begin and hard to end.
Haley, do something cute.
I'm just glad to go through it all with you as friends. I can see the sunshine's rays gleaming through the clear water, telling me you gotta hop in for this chapter's right. There will always be better days. There will always be better days. There will always be better days.
My brother, where do you intend to go tonight? I heard that you missed your connecting flight to the Blue Ridge Mountain over near Tennessee. You're ever welcome with me anytime you like. Let's drive to the countryside, leave behind some green-eyed look-alike, so no one gets worried, no.